Hello, beautiful people. Welcome once again to Ebenezer's Recipes. Thank you so much for tuning in. In today's video, I share with you a Fettuccine Alfredo recipe. Let's get started. I've put a pot of water on and I've added a tablespoon of salt. Now to my ingredients, I have 2 pounds of chicken breasts, 7 slices of bacon, mushrooms, salt, butter and garlic. I have onion, cheddar cheese, garlic powder, onion powder, chicken seasoning, black pepper, Italian seasoning, fettuccine pasta, half and half, and olive oil. So my water has come into a boil and I'll add in my fettuccine pasta. We'll cook this according to our pasta box or until it is al dente. Now let's move on and slice our chicken. So I'll begin slicing my chicken in strips. You can slice it in cubes or any size or shape you prefer. Our chicken is all done cutting up. We'll then go ahead and season it with salt, chicken seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, Italian seasoning, and then we'll give it a stir. We'll mix it until it is well seasoned. We'll then move on to go check if our pasta is cooked and doing well. Alright, my pasta is cooked. I checked my pasta if it is cooked, just taking one of the pasta and just breaking it with my fingers. I'll then go ahead and strain it and sprinkle some olive oil on the pasta and set it on the side. Have you subscribed yet? If not, please subscribe, like and comment. Hit that notification so anytime I upload, you'll be notified. And to my new subscribers, I welcome you and thank you for subscribing. I really appreciate it. So in a pot, I'll go ahead and add in my bacon. We'll cook the bacon until it is well browned, and then we'll remove the bacon and set it on the side. In the same pot, I'll go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and then my chicken comes into the pan. We'll cook the chicken until it is well cooked through. I'll then go ahead and turn my chicken over so the other side of the chicken browns very well. Our chicken is looking really delicious. Alright, so we'll give it a stir and then we'll cook the chicken until it is very well cooked. Alright, so our chicken is looking good. We'll then go ahead and remove the chicken from the pan and set it on the side. In the same pot, I've added 4 tablespoons of butter. I'll make sure to melt my butter in the pan very well and then add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. We'll come in with our cut up onions and then give it a stir. We'll let the onion cook for about a minute and then add in our cut up garlic or minced garlic and give it a stir. Once that cooks for about a minute, we'll come in with our sliced mushrooms and then leave that to cook for about a minute or two or until the onion is very well translucent. And then we'll come in with our half and half cream. We'll give it a mix and leave that to simmer for a total of 10 to 15 minutes. You can add more half and half if you really like your pasta very creamy, but we just like our pasta just right. So 4 cups of half and half was just perfect for this recipe, but you're more than welcome to add in more of the half and half. Alright, so our sauce has been cooking for about 10 to 15 minutes. I'll then come in with my chicken. We'll add in a 1/4 cup of chopped parsley, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of black pepper, and then we'll give it a stir. We'll leave the sauce to simmer for about 2 minutes, and then we'll come in with our fettuccine pasta. It is always recommended to add the olive oil onto the pasta as soon as it is done cooking. We'll then go ahead and add in our fettuccine pasta into the sauce, and then we'll give it a very good mix. And we want to make sure that we coat the pasta and the sauce together beautifully. Ooh, I'm super excited. And then we'll add in our deliciously looking bacon and give it a stir. We'll leave that on the stove for about a minute or two, and then we'll grate some Parmesan cheese on top. Guys, do not skip this step. It really adds so much flavor to it. And then we cover to just let it sit for about a minute to melt that cheese. Our pasta is done and is ready to serve. And we'll garnish it with some parsley. Looking delicious, guys. All right, and dinner is served. This is a very quick dinner, so I recommend you get everything ready, and my kids couldn't wait to dig into this delicious and amazing dinner. All right, so everyone is coming for their plate, and then I am ready to also enjoy. Guys, thank you so much for staying until this time. Please like, comment, hit that notification so anytime I upload, you will be notified. Thank you. God bless you. And please stay safe. Bye, guys.